Alright, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Astu. How you doing? I hope you're doing okay. I have this 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. I repeat. And I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator, which is right there. This guy. And the belt. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Easy. You know what I'm saying? Before I get into the action, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Share this video. Hit the bell every time I upload something new to the channel. You'll be the first one to know. You know what I'm saying? So hit the bell for that. Like the video. And anything you need to say, any feedback, put in the comment box for me. Do that for me. The other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. Do that. If you can't do that, then watch the whole ad. Don't skip the ad. Watch the whole ad, the entire ad. Watch it. Watch it all. Yeah. More or less. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this alternator replacement. Now this is the car right here. That's the part number for this car. Alright. Remy. There it is. This is how it looks like. You know what I'm saying? So only 2 bolts gonna be holding this baby. Make sure it spins. Alright. So you're gonna grab a 17 wrench, put it there. Alright. So we can loose the belt. Push it that way. You see that? Now you can remove the belt like that. So when you remove the belt from the loose it. I'm just gonna cut it though. And remember, it's gonna go through here. Alright. Remember that. So now, disconnect the battery. Do the ground, might as well. 10mm. So from the bottom, you can see that connector and the bolt. So from here I'm just gonna heat that nut and disconnect the connector. Yeah, that this guy right here was to stick to the plastic of the alternator. How to pry it. So now I'm gonna go to the top. And this I can do it through here. Now I'm gonna go to the top and do the bolts now. Alright. Alright, so to reach to that bolt that is behind the pulley, I'm gonna have to remove this guy. That's 14mm, right? For that bolt at the bottom, and then this is the other one. That's 14. That bolt is 14. The bolt at the bottom is 14. The bolt, the pulley is 14. Not this one. This is the tensioner. The one I just showed you. This one. That's 14. Alright. So I'm gonna do the pulley. So I have a better reach. I have to hit this bolt with a half-inch 14 half-inch ratchet long and half-inch 14mm socket. There you go. I'm just gonna put it right here. So now I have better reach for that bolt, which is 14. I'm gonna use a half-inch ratchet with a 14 half-inch 14mm socket. okay, just to break it loose. All right, there's a clip here that is attached to the alternator. I'm just gonna pop that. I'm sorry. So I have this, the bolts came out, okay? They're the same length, okay? So don't trip on that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove this fan. Unplug it here, just like that. I'm gonna have to disconnect the hose clamp, okay? Remove this hose, put it to the side, so I have enough space to remove this fan, because the fan is like a individual, okay? So it's not connected to this one. It has two bolts here, one here and one over there, 10 millimeter. All right, then I'm gonna try to pull it up. If it's stuck, then there's some bolts at the bottom, which I doubt though, but I'm gonna do that. All right, so what I end up doing was grab you see the pry bar, put it here, push the engine enough, push the engine back enough to remove the fan. So you're probably gonna need another set of hands, so help you to push the engine back while you wiggle the fan to pull it out. Then all I gotta do is remove the alternator from here, pry the alternator forward, wiggle it, pull it out. Oh, did I tell you that I removed the engine mount? Looks like that. 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. Come out. Put the jack underneath. Delete. Now, grab this guy like that, then hammer it. It's gonna come out like that. Now wiggle it out. See, these alternators come with this thing right here. So you're gonna have to remove it. That's an 8 millimeter. Alright, I use a quarter 8 millimeter. Then I set it up like this and pull it up like this. Alright, through here. Okay, I hope you guys listening there. Now, these alternators come with this guy, right? On both sides. I grab a half-inch extension, put it right there, hit it with a hammer, push it till it's all flat, so it's easier for you to make it fit in there. Make it fit in here, alright? Then you tighten and that's it. Now put the serpentine bell back and alright. Remember in the beginning I said this thing goes like this. Well, it goes like that. Put it like this. I'm gonna slide it through here because I don't want to remove the mount. Alright, put everything back and that's it. Alright, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Support the channel. Alright, support the channel by leaving a tip on the table, or the other way is by clicking on the subscribe button. The other way is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Alright, do that for the channel. Support the channel. Don't skip the ad. Alright. watch the whole ad. Besides of that, click on the bell so every time I upload something new in the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Share this video and the feedback put in the comment box for me. This was a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Any questions, put it in the comment box, like I said. See you in the next one. Catch me in the next one. Holla at your boy. I'm out. Yeah.